good, YouTube? It's your boy Scatboy392. I had to do this, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Hey, look, man. Y'all see we on the road, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to Mebane. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm from North Carolina, so I'm going to Mebane. It's like a little past Raleigh. I'm about to go pick up some new wheels, man. Rims, tires. I actually been looking for some, and on my Facebook group, one of my Challenger clubs, someone posted some rims that caught my attention, and so now I'm going to get them. So yeah, if you got a Challenger or a Charger and you aren't in any of these Facebook Mopar groups, I definitely recommend joining them, because you never know what somebody has that you may want, and they can post something close to your area and you can meet up, make a deal, go get them. But there's Dodge Challenger, there's Dodge Charger groups. Just search them on Facebook in the group section, you'll find them. And then always search for your area too, that way you're in a few, because I'm in two or three that are like worldwide Challenger and Chargers, and then I'm in one that's like strictly for North Carolina, so which is why I was able to find these wheels. But anyway, man, we're gonna get straight to it, man. If this is your first time, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to road to 5K, but really we need to hit 3K first, so we ain't gonna skip no steps. But we still on the road to 5K. Like the video, comment. Also, I forgot to tell you something about these wheels. Oh dang, it's getting dark. Whatever, hopefully y'all can see me. But yeah, I forgot to tell you something about these wheels. So they are actually 275s. So if you know, the stock Challenger comes with 245s all the way around. So now I'm actually about to be 275s all the way around. We're gonna see how it rides, we're gonna see how it feels after I get them mounted, balanced and whatnot. But yeah, I'll definitely let you know. So yeah, we're gonna see how it go, man. But like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, next day. You know what I'm saying? We're on our way to the tire shop right now. I am crammed up in this car, bro, because I got, you see the wheel? That's a 275. Anyway, I'm dropping the car off before work. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, I am crammed, bro. I could barely drive, bro. I got the seat all the way to the front, because as you know, I had to fit 4 rims and tires, and they all 275s in this car. So anyway, I'm on the way to the tire shop right now. We're about to drop the car off before work. They're gonna get everything done for me. Pretty much what they gotta do, I ain't wearing my seatbelt. Pretty much what they gotta do is unmount the tires that I have in the car, which is the new rim I'm about to put on. Unmount them, and then unmount the set that I got on currently, because they gotta take the tire pressure sensor monitors. They gotta take them off, because I need them on the new rims, of course. So they doing 2 unmounts, moving tire sensors to my new rims, and then mounting and balancing them back on the car. So I'm gonna pick the car up, you know, on my lunch break. They should be done with it. Pretty much what I decided to do was I'm gonna take the 2 best tires, because the tires that I'm putting on, they are used, but they got, you know, a little bit of life in them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the 2 best tires of the 275s, and I'm gonna throw them on the back, and then I'm gonna keep the 2 best tires from my stock 245s, and I'm gonna throw them on the front. So that's how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna have a little offset to it, man. But anyways, man, y'all already see the vibes, man. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We about to get a new look, man. I'm telling you, it's about to go crazy too. And I've been trying to find this a car on YouTube that got the setup that I'm about to do, and I don't see it. So y'all definitely stay tuned, man. It's gonna be fire. Subscribe to the channel if this your first time. You already know the vibes. Comment down below, let me know what you think, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we at the tire shop. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one last look around the car. Whenever you're dropping your car off to any shops, tire shop, body shop, it don't matter, make sure you always do a walk around of your car. That way you know everything that's there. Any scratches, you know them. That way when you get your car back, if there's anything new, you could be like, hey, y'all did this, you know what I'm saying, what y'all gonna do to make it right. So do a little walk around. Always too, make sure you check your miles on your car, so you can see if somebody been having a little fun in your car or not. And then we're gonna go from there, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick look. Plus, this the last time y'all gonna see it, you know, the way it is. Well, with the rims anyway, you know what I'm saying, because we put some new rims up there, so. You know what I'm saying? That's the stock rims right there, stock 245s. You know what I'm saying? The Eagles, Goodyear Eagles. The last time y'all gonna see them last time y'all gonna see them. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So yeah, man, we finna go, man. We gonna drop it off, man, and I'm gonna get to y'all, let y'all see the results at the end, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Scat Gang, we back, man. We just picked the whip back up, you know what I'm saying? You see the vibes, you see I got the stock rims and tires back in here. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up first, you know what I'm saying? I got a scheduled appointment for a detail tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that first before I let y'all see it. They look good too. They definitely looking good too. I'm not even gonna cap. But as far as how it feels, I ain't even made it out the parking lot yet, honestly, but I am driving kind of slow because I gotta hold on to this wheel. So I'm not gonna give y'all a description of how it feels yet. It does feel a little different, but I'll go into that deeper once I unload the car and I can drive it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We gonna do that, man. I just did the walk around. Everything looked good on the car. Mileage still look good. I don't really see no dings or nothing. They did, however, put the tires back in the car for me. I actually got picked up with a truck because I didn't want to keep hauling these things back in my car, but they did it themselves. So hopefully they look like they, you know, they took their time and they did it proper. So hopefully I can, you know, get these out of my car today and it won't have no damage. But anyway, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you what the car looking like, man. You know what I'm saying? Scat got a new look, man. You know the vibes, man. Let's scat it. All right, YouTube, your boy Scatboy392. I'm back here, you know what I'm saying? We in the Scat right now. Y'all ready to see these shoes, man? So I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the new shoes I got in the Scat, you know what I'm saying? Boom! Oh! Yes, sir, you know what I'm saying? I had to cop them Yeezys, man. I love Yeezys because I beat these up. You know what I'm saying? If you see me, likely I got on a pair of Yeezys. I just like to wear them. They comfortable, they durable, and they can take a beating, and that's why I like them. But this ain't even the shoe y'all came to see, is it? Y'all want to see the shoes on the car, not on my feet. So we finna step out, man, but y'all make sure y'all ready for this real quick, man. I'm trying to tell you, it's about to go crazy. It's about to go tough. The Scat look amazing. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all brace yourself real quick, you know what I'm saying? Take a moment of silence. All right, let's get it, man. I'm finna show y'all the Scat. All right, here y'all go. Ooh, yes, sir, man. Y'all see the Scat. New look, you know what I'm saying? 20-inch Hellcat Redeye 5-prong rims. You already see how we rocking, man. Official SRT. These OEM too, man. See me, I like to keep things subtle, so I like the rims that actually come on the Dodge Challengers and Chargers. I like the official OEM Dodge rims that they put up here. You know, I like 4G Autos and other stuff, but I'm a fan of these, man, because I want the car to look as official as possible. So if I do any mods, it's gonna be OEM. So you already see how we rocking, man. The 5 spokes, man. And they looking crazy too. You see I got them cleaned and shined up. Oh, and of course on the back we got the 275s. These are the Pirellis 275 by 40 ZR20. You know what I'm saying? They pretty dope, man. It's a whole new ride. You know, it feels like really different as far as riding. It's a lot more comfortable of a ride in my opinion. I'll take y'all around the back so y'all can see it. I try to park in the sunlight, but y'all see it, man. That's fire, bro. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I'm loving it. I'm actually about to go to a car meet. You know, nothing major, but it's my first time revealing it to YouTube and in person. None of my friends seen it. I ain't even showed them a picture on Instagram or nothing. I've been holding out on them boys, man. But y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. Fuego, man. Big Scat coming crazy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me show y'all the back too, so I can show y'all like how much more the 275s poke out than the stock. You know what I'm saying? That's meaty. Them things meaty. Look at that. Let me show you this side. You know what I'm saying? Super meaty, man. I think in the future I'm gonna go maybe 305s in the back. 305, 315. I'm gonna go a little bigger in the back. I'm not sure what size yet, man, but that's the Scat, man. That's the new wheels, man. They fire, man. I love them. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel, because you already see how we coming. We bringing pressure, we bringing fire, and we're gonna keep dropping. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you think I should do to the car next. I've been looking at wicker builds. I've been looking at front lips. I've been looking at spoilers and rear diffuser. I don't know if I want a wicker build because I don't want to cut into my spoiler. So I think what I'm gonna do is I might just replace the stock spoiler with like the Redeye spoiler. Then I'm gonna have the Redeye rims and the Redeye spoiler. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have the first Redeye Scat, official Redeye Scat. You know what I'm saying? That's how we coming, man. But appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, because that's gonna help the algorithm. It's gonna help YouTube push this video to more viewers like yourself, because we are trying to grow. Road to 3K. We at like 2.6 right now. So you know what I'm saying, share the video, tell your friends about it. Make sure you tapped in with Scatboy_392 on Instagram, Facebook, and I just made a TikTok. Dropped my first TikTok video today. The TikTok is Scatboy_392. Everything Scatboy_392, man. Right below, let me know how you think the wheels look on a scale of 1 through 10. Don't say anything less than 9. If you do, you're lying. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's scatter. So yeah, this is what the car look like now with the 245s on the back. You know what I'm saying? You can see the stance. Ain't really no poke out the side or nothing. See what I'm saying? It's a little darker on this side, but